Oh my gosh. This is the best glitch of all time. I want to see if I fall off the thing, if I fix it when I land at the bottom. Um, oh my gosh! I just
What?
fell all the way and I didn't get hurt at the bottom.
What?
I'm invincible!
Or at least from falling damage.
Yeah.
Can you shoot?
No, I can't shoot or jump.
Aw.
Okay, I'm going through the teleporter back to the penthouse. Let's see if this fixes it. Oh, when I walked in the elevator, it fixed it. I hit E and then I sat back down?
Making somebody else's turn to talk.
He is talking. I don't understand the point. Yeah, so that's new. Actually don't know how to undo it.